In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Fall Guys stuck on loading screen on your Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Usually, being stuck on a loading screen means that your internet connection is not stable enough so you can't connect to the game servers, or you are missing critical files. However, a lot of times this can also happen because of other factors. On the Nintendo Switch, if you face this issue, there is a very simple solution that works. Before opening up the game, what you have to do is disconnect all controllers. So in this video, I'm gonna showcase how you can go about doing this method to disconnect your controllers before opening up the game. Even if you only have Joy-Cons connected and no external controllers, you will also have to do this. So from the home screen of the Switch, find the option to manage the controllers connected to the device. You will be able to select Change Grip Order to disconnect all controllers. You will have to make sure that no controllers are connected before you run Fall Guys on your Nintendo Switch. So using the touch controls on the Switch itself, go back to the home screen and load the game up first. When it prompts for a controller, connect the one that you want to use, either the Joy-Cons or an external controller such as the Pro controller, and as soon as you connect the controller after you get past the loading screen, you will be good to go. It is weird that this behavior happens, however, for some reason, even on PC and other platforms, if you open Fall Guys with a controller connected beforehand, you might face issues, so you have to wait until the game opens and afterwards connect your controller. As long as you reproduce these steps and you properly open the game with no controllers detected on your Switch, you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Fall Guys stuck on loading screen on the Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.